Hello there guys and gals, good day. So I'm still here in LTO. Madam Rose, no? Madam Rose is now doing my TPL insurance that costs 1,300. So guys, if you want to have your car to have insurance, please go here in Binangonan, Rizal. Look for Madam Rose Ramos. Sino po itong JR? Wala yan. Ayun. Afterwards, madam, ano na pong susunod?
Registration na, sir.
Registration na, okay. Thank you, Lord. Guys, little by little, my worry will be fade away. I hope that before Christmas, my car is already complete on documents and other things for me to try again going to LA. No. I'm just being happy guys because I'm fixing it now, and good thing that I decided just this morning to have this fixed little by little, because I don't want to waste my time again on waiting for the right time. This is the right time guys, so for as long as you have all the time in the world, make it happen, okay? So let's go back to Madam Rose. Madam Rose, pa-discount naman ako. Yes, ako sana. Guys, please pray na that Madam Rose will grant my request to have a discount. Madam, matagal na po ba kayo sa ganito? Na nag-work? Ayun. So ito na naging buhay nyo. Ayan, so she is so fast on typing the documents. Bye for now guys and girls. Madam Rose, salamat sa iyong pakiki-cooperate sa aking video. At sana dumami pang iyong mga kliyente. God bless.